Hello, my dear students. Namaste. I am Sagar Avvade from Department of Mechanical Engineering, CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. Today, we are going to study the topic projection of line. After watching this video, you will be able to identify true length, shape, and apparent length of projected object and draw the projection of line with respect to reference plane. Straight line. Straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. A line has length and direction but no thickness. Projection of line are obtained by projecting the endpoints on the plane of the projection and joining the respective projections of its end by a straight line. Before we are going to move forward, first I have to ask you to one question. And the question is, what is asked in the problem? What will be the given? And in which manner its position with HP and VP will be described? Kindly pause your video. Take your time. Think on it. And write in your notebook the answer for this question. Once you have done it, then you can play the video. Draw the projection of line, that is, draw the front view and top view is asked in the problem. Description of line is given and its position with HP and VP is also mentioned. Now we are going to discuss various cases of projection of line with respect to plane. First, line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Second, line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Third, line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Fourth, line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Fifth, line is parallel to both the plane, that is horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. Following notations are used for the naming the different views. For front view, line AB is denoted as a small letter with single dash, that is A dash B dash. For top view, line AB is denoted as a small letter, that is AB. And for the side view, line AB is denoted as small letter with double dash, that is A double dash B double dash. Now we will discuss here one by one. Line is perpendicular to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. In that case, the red color line AB is vertical straight line, which is perpendicular to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane is shown in pictorial view. Now, when we rotate horizontal plane 90 degree in a clockwise direction, then in orthographic view, the front view shows true length and perpendicular to XY line, and top view shows a dot is shown in orthographic view. Line is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. Line AB is horizontal straight line, is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, is shown in pictorial view figure. Now when we rotate HP 90 degree in a clockwise direction, then in orthographic view, the front view shows a dot and top view shows true length and perpendicular to XY line, which is shown in orthographic view diagram. Line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. The pink color line AB is inclined at an angle theta to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. Is shown in pictorial view diagram. Now when we rotate HP 90 degree in a clockwise direction, then in orthographic view, the front view shows true length and true inclination of the line theta, and top view shows apparent length, that is PL. Line is inclined to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. The pink color line AB is inclined at an angle phi to the vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane, is shown in pictorial view diagram. Now rotate the horizontal plane 90 degree in a clockwise direction. Then in orthographic view, the front view shows apparent length, that is EL, and top view shows true length and true inclination, that is angle phi. Line is parallel to both the plane, that is horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. Red color line AB is parallel to both the plane HP and VP, is shown in pictorial view diagram. Now rotate HP 90 degree in a clockwise direction. Then in orthographic view, true length is shown in a front view as well as top view, which is shown in orthographic view diagram. For better understanding the concept, we are going to solve one problem here. Question: the distance between end projectors A and B of line AB is 60 mm. End A of line is 20 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. End B of line is 50 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection of line AB and find its inclination with HP and its true length. Now just recall the reflection spot question. What is asked in the problem? Draw the projection of line, find the angle with HP and its true length, which is given, and in which manner its position with HP and VP will be described. End projector distance AB is equal to 60 mm is given. Position: end A 20 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. End B 50 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP is mentioned. In next slide, stepwise procedure is given how to solve the problem. First step, draw the XY line. VP is above XY line and HP is below XY line. Next step, draw end A 20 mm above HP, that is point A dash, and 40 mm in front of VP, which is exactly below A dash, that is point A. Draw end B 40 mm in front of VP, that is point B, and distance between end projectors A and B is 60 mm. That is AB is equal to 60 in a top view. Now draw the vertical straight line from point B towards upward direction, which is 50 mm above HP from XY line, that is point B dash. Now join the point A dash and B dash, that is true length. And lastly, measure the angle theta and true length distance. The answer is theta is equal to 27 degree and true length 70 mm. Thank you.